too dark to see the morning. A tension in the atmosphere. It's cold and never thawing. Full of common sense in the way that I've been told. But will it really make me happy? Now I realize my breath has started to freeze. I'm in the middle of a blizzard, I can feel the pressure. Got ice encased around my heart, the beat's the only measure of even knowing I'm alive. Can turn this pain to pleasure before I shut right down and shut the door for good. There's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed? Oh, 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 I'll find the truth deep inside. Oh, 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 life is in my hands, so no need to pray, 'cause I'm ready now for the judgment day. Oh, 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 it's gonna be mine to claim. Oh, 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 no one else gets to decide, 'cause the future's only made for you and I. Such a narrow world full of empty dreams. Poison ivy twists like my haunted scream. Staring through the fog I can finally see. I'll blow it all away like a blizzard. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now. Oh, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice now. Oh, there's a wall that's towering over me. If I try to climb it, will I succeed?